kind of hard to say because it's late, but this is the 96 SS. I just finished getting the rebuilt motor slapped in there. This is a LT1 of a 94 Roadmaster. I had to convert it over to work in a 96. There's a few electronic components for OBD2 compliance that had to be swapped, but it's finally in and we're going to see if it runs. This motor supposedly ran. I never heard it run, but I trust the guy I bought it from. I took it apart. The bearings looked like crap. Not really, bad, but definitely at the end of their lifespan. So, new rod, main, and cam bearings are installed. I polished everything up myself because I'm cheap, and put new rings in there. Honed the cylinders by hand. I went and plastic gauged everything. Everything looked to be in spec. So, let's just see if I did it right. So I got it mostly hooked up. None of the drive accessories are attached. This is just a quick test run to see if this motor runs. Let's see, I pulled the rad support off, mostly because it was rotted and made it easier to get in here too. So, let's see if this thing fires. Prime the fuel pump. Here we go. That's what I wanted to hear. I didn't want to run it too long because I don't have the torque converter screwed in. It's just kind of sitting there. Because as you can see, these lines aren't hooked up and I don't want to dump fluid everywhere. So, she's a runner. I'm thrilled. So now, just got to get the rest of this car put back together. And soon, the SS will be on the road.